What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a TikTok life hack. I'm going to be showing you guys how to save TikTok videos onto your lock screen on your iPhone. It can be iPhone 11, that's what I'm going to be demonstrating on, but it can be any iPhone using iOS 13. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Go ahead and go to TikTok, and as you can see, I'm on this video that J-Lo and A-Rod did with their family. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to the right hand side, and the fourth icon down is the share icon. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go ahead and scroll over to live photo. Okay, so after I did that, now it's going to actually save to my camera roll on my iPhone 11. So now let's wait for it to finish, but it's saving. And okay, so now I'm going to back out of TikTok, and I'm going to go to my actual photo album on my phone, and let's see. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and find that live photo that I just saved. Oh, there it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and click the icon in the bottom left, and then I'm going to use this as a wallpaper. So I'm going to scroll down through the options, use this wallpaper, and then I'm going to set it as my lock screen. So I'm going to set that as my lock screen, save it, and then that's pretty much how you do it. So now I'm going to demonstrate on the iPhone. And as you can see here, what you need to do is lock your phone. Go ahead and click the button on the right hand side and lock your phone. And then you just simply press and hold the screen. You press and hold it, and then the live photo will then begin to play. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. That is how you set a TikTok video as your lock screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.